Hi there, welcome back to my math channel MathWeb. In this video I'm going to answer you question number 7 from Cambridge International AS and A-Level exam for Pure Math 1. This exam is taken in October-November session year 2024. Paper reference code is 9709/11. The diagram shows part of the curve with the equation y equals to 12 over cube root of 2x plus 1. The point A on the curve has coordinates 7 over 2 and 6. First part, find the equation of the tangent to the curve at A. Give your answer in the form y equals to mx plus c. To find the equation of tangent, first of all, you need to differentiate this function to find the gradient. So to find the gradient of this function, first of all, we need to differentiate y with respect to x. Best thing, whenever the variable is given in the denominator, just move it into the numerator. Okay, this is the way. So we can move it up because the power is 1 over 3. Cube root means power 1 over 3. In the denominator, power is 1 over 3. In the numerator, the power will be minus 1 over 3. Okay. Now let me tell you the formula to differentiate such function. Derivative of f of x. Actually, this is a basic formula. We bring the power down and take away one power from the function, that will be n minus 1. Also, under the power, function is differentiated again and it is multiplied. Okay, we take the derivative of the function under the power and we multiply by that derivative. It is the exact formula. Okay, we can apply over here. So if you differentiate y with respect to x, we get dy by dx, and here there is 12, so this minus 1 over 3 becomes the multiple. We'll write as minus 1 over 3 and we will take 1 away from the power. If you take 1 away from the power, minus 1 over 3 minus 1 will give you the answer as minus 4 over 3. So it is minus 4 over 3. Under the power function, this function is differentiated again. Okay, it is according to this rule. So we will multiply this derivative of this function. What is the derivative of 2x plus 1? 2x derivative is 2. 1, the constant number is always 0. So only it will be 2. Derivative of 2x plus 1 is 2. So it will be multiplied. Now we will simplify this one. This is cancelled out with 3. And this 2 will multiply by 4. So dy by dx will be equals to, this minus 4 will multiply 2. It will give you the answer minus 8 into 2x plus 1 whole to the power minus 4 over 3. Now you need to find the gradient at this point. So at this point, value of x is 7 over 2. This value is x. We can use x equals to, using x equals to 7 over 2 will give you the gradient of the tangent line. Gradient is represented by m. Okay, so m will be equals to minus 8 into 2 into 7 over 2 plus 1 power minus 4 over 3. So gradient will be equals to minus 8 will multiply by this value and take the power minus 4 over 3. Right, as is in your calculator, you will get the answer. Actually, this 2 is cancelled out, so you can write in your calculator like minus 8 into 8 power minus 4 over 3. Gradient will be minus 1 over 2. This is the gradient of the tangent line. Now you need to find the equation of the tangent line according to the question. Equation of tangent line at this point. Point is 7 over 2 and 6 is. This is a standard formula for finding the equation of the tangent line. You have to memorize it. Y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Okay, so plug the values. Y minus y1. This value is x1 and this is y1. So substitute these values in this equation, and m we already got it. Y1 is 6, m is minus 1 over 2, and x is keep as is, and x1 is 7 over 2 minus 7 over 2. Now you need to write your answer into this form. Therefore, move this value to the right side. We will write as y equals to, also expand this bracket, it will be minus 1 over 2x. This minus 1 over 2 and minus 7 over 2 makes it plus 7 over 4. Okay, and this minus 6 becomes positive 6 here. Therefore, equation of the tangent line will be equals to minus 1 over 2x plus, solving these two values, 7 over 4 plus 6 will give you the answer as 31 over 4. Okay, so this is the equation of the tangent line, and also this is the answer of the first part of question number 7. Let's move on to the next part of this question. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve and the lines x equals to 0, x equals to 7 over 2, and y equals to 0. X equals to 0, we know that these are the lines. Actually, you need to find this area. Let me tell you. Here, this line is x equals to 7 over 2, and look, this line is equals to y equals to 0, and here this line is equals to x equals to 7 over 2, and this line is showing x equals to 0. Okay, it means you need to find this area. Hopefully you understand. We need to find this area under the curve. Starting from 0 ends at 7 over 2. We know the formula of finding the area by using integration. Let me tell you that formula as well. If you want to find that area, required area will be equals to integration from 0 to 7 over 2. We'll write integrate the function, integrate the curve. Okay, actually integration gives you the area under the curve. So this is the formula, basic formula for finding the area. Now substitute the value of y, and also we are using this limit from 0 to 7 over 2 because we need to find the area from this value is 0 to 7 over 2, and curve is this one. Better you write this way. Okay, we will use this value of y instead of this one because it is easily, this one you can easily integrate. So we'll write here 12. I will keep it out of the integration, and the other value is 2x plus 1 power minus 1 over 3 dx. Here again I am going to tell you very important formula for finding the integration of such function like that, f of x power n dx. What is the rule? We increase the power by 1. In case of integration, we increase the power, okay, and divide by the same power. In case of differentiation, we decrease the power by 1. It is the rule, okay. And also whenever there is a function given like that, like this, that function is differentiated again, and we multiply. In case of differentiation, we multiply by the derivative. In case of integration, we divide by the derivative. It is the rule. You understand? Hopefully. Actually, these are very important formulas you have to memorize. Like function power n dx equals to function power is increased by 1, divide by the same power, and we divide by the derivative. The function under the power derivative is divided. Okay, like in case of differentiation, if you are differentiating this function, what is the rule? We bring the power, this power becomes multiple, and we decrease the power by 1. We take 1 away from the power, and we multiply by the derivative, the value under the power. Okay, so here we multiply by the derivative. In this case, in case of integration, we divide by the derivative. It is the difference between differentiation and integration. Hopefully these two tricks will help you in many questions. Okay, so write this one. Now I will apply the formula and also don't forget this limit is 0 to 7 over 2, and same way we will apply the rule, this rule. So area will be equals to 12. We will keep always outside in the multiple, always keep it out of the integration, and here we will apply the rule. What is the rule? We increase the power by 1. If you increase the power by 1, minus 1 over 3 plus 1 will give you the answer as 2 over 3. So power is 2 over 3, same power is divided. Got it? Same power is divided. And also the derivative of this function is divided. In case of integration, we divide by the derivative. Derivative of this function is 2. So you will write here 2 plus c. Okay. Now the third denominator, you know, it is 2 multiplied to 4. This 3 will multiply over here. Actually it is like that, 12 divided by 4 over 3. Okay, it is 12 divided by 4 over 3. So simplify this one. 12 multiply 3 over 4. Okay, we flip the fraction. If you are converting division into multiplication, 4 will be cancelled out with 12, so it will be 3. So the answer of whole of this part will be 9. Sorry, I added here c. Actually, this c should not be there because it is a definite integral. Okay, so you have to apply the limit. No c in case of definite integral. So we'll write as 7 over 2 and 0. Upper limit is written at the top and lower limit is written at the bottom. And answer of this one will be 9. So we'll write as 9 into 2x plus 1 power 2 over 3. Okay, so this is the simplest form for above function. So it will be like that. Now you need to plug the values. First of all, we always use the upper limit. We'll use the upper limit first. Instead of x, we'll write 7 over 2. According to the rule, 9 into 2 into better you use here a square bracket to plug the values. 2 into 7 over 2 plus 1, and here don't forget I'm writing as is. Okay, then minus, this minus is of formula, and now we'll apply the lower limit. It will be 9 into for 2 multiply 0 will be 0 plus 1 whole to the power 2 over 3. Okay, here we are using upper limit, then lower limit is subtracted. Now simplifying, so it will be 9 into this 2 and 2 is cancelled out. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 power 2 over 3. 8 power 2 over 3 is 4. So write here 4 minus 9, and if you simplify 1 power is something is 1 always, so it will be 1. So finally our answer will be equals to 36 minus 9 is 27. So 27 square unit is the required area. Hopefully you understand it. If you want to write any comment about this question or you have a doubt in any part of this question, please write in the comment box. Thank you.